In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to put music on Facebook feature photos. To put music on your feature photos, we will create a new story with photos and music. So go to your Facebook app, tap on create story. Now from your gallery, select the photo. So I'm selecting a random photo from my gallery. And now tap this audio icon and add any music to the story. Okay, once you added the music, you can just tap on share to share the story to your Facebook. Once the story successfully published, go to your profile. In profile, scroll down and come to this highlight section. Tap this plus icon to create a new highlight. Tap the see all next to stories and find out the photo that you just added to your story with music. Select the post. Once you select it, tap on next, tap on done, and the specific photos will add to your highlight with music. Here we can see. Thanks for watching.